Hey there, welcome to Ben's Plant-Based Kitchen, where I show you the easy, affordable foods I cook, and you should try them too, because it's good for you, your kids, their kids, and the earth. Today we're making sweet potato fries. These fries take just minutes to prep, include only 4 ingredients, and cost just 40 cents per serving. Let's check out our ingredients. First, sweet potatoes. This is a 2-pound bag, but I'm only using 1 pound today. You can easily scale up this recipe if desired. Oil, I'm using grapeseed, but use whatever you'd like. And salt and pepper. That's it. You could jazz these up with some other spices if you'd like, but I'm keeping things simple today. Let's get started. Here's 1 pound of sweet potatoes that I've rinsed and scrubbed thoroughly. I've also set my oven to 375, so it's preheated once the potatoes are prepped. Chop off the tips. Slice off a 1 centimeter wide plank, then turn the potato onto its flat side for stability. Cut the potato to slabs of the desired width of your fries. I'm keeping mine relatively thick, but you do you. Keep in mind that cooking time increases with the thickness of the fries. Stack your slabs and finish slicing into fries. This potato was longer, so I cut it in half before slicing. Next, chuck your fries into a mixing bowl. Add a tablespoon of oil, a firm pinch of salt, and a few cracks of pepper. Give those a good toss. Then spread onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Ensure that none of the fries are touching. If they're touching, they'll steam and won't get crispy. All set, over to our preheated 375-degree oven. Toss those onto the middle rack and set a 10-minute timer. 10 minutes later, pull them from the oven and give them a flip. Sweet potatoes have a higher sugar content than other potato varieties, which makes them more likely to burn. To prevent burning, we're keeping our oven on 375 rather than going higher, and we're flipping the fries throughout the cooking process. Back in they go for another 10 minutes. Here's mine after the additional 10 minutes. You can see there's some caramelization on the outside of the fries. At this point, the potatoes are cooked through, and we want to develop a bit of crispiness. Toss the fries one last time, then up the oven to 400 and place them back in for 5 to 10 minutes. Check these every few minutes to ensure they aren't burning. Here's my fries after about 7 minutes in that 400-degree oven. I'm throwing mine into a serving dish, but you could serve them straight from the baking sheet. Placed alongside your main course, tonight I'm having a barbecue jackfruit sandwich. And let's eat some fries.
Alright, let's try some sweet potato fries. I like mine with a bit of ketchup. These are really nice. I like them especially because they're pretty hands-off. Once you assemble them, throw them in the oven, flip them one time. They're a nice side alongside almost any main course. I like them especially alongside a nice sandwich like this.
Shout out your last video.
If you want to see how to make a barbecue jackfruit sandwich, check out last week's video where I'll show you how to do it. They're really, really good. All in all, super tasty. I love sweet potato fries. I think everyone does. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking.
Sweet potato fries are awesome, and these ones cost just 40 cents per serving. Check the video description for an itemized cost breakdown. Try them at home, and if you do, let me know in the comments or tag me on Instagram. Support me by subscribing to this channel, telling a friend about it, following me on Instagram, and consider becoming a patron for as little as $1 a month. Thanks.
2 point.